Good morning, Jesus. Good morning this morning again. As I wake, I am about to do some curry goat. You can see the curry goat. You can see I'm cutting up my onion. This is the onion. This is the garlic. Garlic, onion, green scallion. I already cut up some pepper already. Scotch bonnet pepper. You can see this is it. I'm moving the thing out of my way. Yes. So you can see the dish that I'm cutting up with my meat. This is a goat, curry goat. So I'm asking you this morning to like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend that this is the way you do the curry goat. Season it up, pepper, onion, garlic, black pepper, jerk season, and some curry powder. And I'm about now to cut up the onion and everything. You can see this. You can see what I'm doing. So I'm asking you just like it, share it, and subscribe. This is Aunty Clair Jamaican cooking channel. This is the curry goat. I show you again after. Like it. Okay? Yes. This is the curry goat. Yes. Look at it. Look at it. So just like it. I'm above now to cut up the onion, pepper, green scallion, a lot of garlic I use, ginger, everything I have in it. Okay? So just like it, run to the button, touch it, like it, share it, subscribe, touch a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget, follow me, touch it, and subscribe to it. Thank you. This is the way we do with goat, curry goat. Out we go.